Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. So this is the component. Now we'll recreate this component using NX. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. Now we'll learn step by step to create this component. For that, first go to the file, new. Choose a model. Our units are in millimeter, so choose millimeter. Just specify the name and specify the folder. Just say OK. This is our sketch to model it. Now we'll start model with this face. To get the same orientation, go to the sketch, choose the right view, right plane, just say OK. Then just take a circle, just put a circle at the center. The radius of the outer circle they have specified as 35. That means diameter is 70. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Then take a rectangle. Just put a rectangle here. Total length of the rectangle is 140. Just say OK. And total height is 56. Say OK. Make it this symmetric. This point and this point and this axis. Make it symmetric. Just say X. Then this height has to be defined. From this point to here, the height is 56 plus radius. 56 plus radius is 15. Say no. Now just remove this unwanted edges by using a trim. Select this one, select this one. Just close it. Now just define this round or fillet. Just go to the fillet. Click this edge and this edge. Here we need to define the radius value is 15. Similarly, just click these two edges. Just specify the radius of 15. Now the sketch is, just press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is completely defined. Just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Make it here symmetric value. The total extrusion is 30 mm. Here you can see 30. Just say OK. Now we have created this face. Then we'll create this feature. Here you can see we have a plane at the mid, but we don't have a plane here. So the distance is from the mid, it is 20 mm here and 20 mm here. Now we just want to create one datum plane to create this sketch. For that, just go to datum plane. Click this plane. This has to be moved 20 mm this side or this side, any one of the side. I just enlarging this datum plane to some little bigger size. Just say OK. Now we just want to create a sketch in this plane. Just go to the sketch. See, our datum plane is this one. Just click it here. Now here you can see our sketch. The red color arrow is the right side only, but it is in the reverse side. To make it reverse the plane normal, just click this one. You will get the reverse. Then you will get the same view to draw. Now see, same view. I'm just repeating it. Edit the parameter. Now we'll draw this one. For that, just hide this datum plane. Now just take a line from this point to here. Press the roller to confirm. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now take a arc with the center and ends. This one is center here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to connect the line from here to somewhere here and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just define the dimensions. This one is 40. First define this one. Just delete this one. Just define this radius. The radius is 10 mm. press the roller to confirm. Now define this dimension. This dimension is 40. Just delete it. Just cancel it. Just delete. Just delete this one also. Just recreate this line. Now just change this value as 40, or just delete this, all this. Now just change the dimension as 40. Now start creating the arc. Escape it. Our arc is center and ends. This one is center, ends. Now just specify the radius, which is 10. Now take a line again. Just connect it here. Just connect it here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now make these two as a tangent. Say OK. And this height is 45. From here to distance is 45. Just say OK. Then close the sketch. From here to here. Now sketch is closed and the sketch also be fully defined. Finish the sketch. Just extrude. Here you can see the plane is here. It has to be extruded on outer side. The total extrusion thickness is 15 mm. Just say OK. Now we have created one side. The same has to be mirrored this side also. For that, select this extrude 5, mirror features, select the plane, this one. Just say OK. Now the same feature is mirrored in this side also. Now we just want to create holes. To create a holes, simply take this hole. Here the diameter of the hole is 10 mm. Just specify diameter is 10. And here move your cursor to the edge and make it here throw the body normal to the face. Just apply it. You will get hole completely to the object. Similarly here, this one, the radius of the hole is 40, the diameter is 40. Normal to the face. Instead of throw body until next, just say OK. Now we have created 3 holes. Now we just want to create these 2 holes. For that, just go for the sketch. Select the surface. Just say OK. Take a circle. Just put a random circle here. Press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is 10 mm. 10. Yes. Press the roller to confirm. The distance from here to here. Here you can see 16 mm. That is 16. And from the height from here to here, the distance is 28 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Make it until next. Subtract. Just say OK. Now we have created a hole here. The same hole has to be mirrored this side also. For that, select this extrude 10. Mirror feature. Here, select the plane as this plane. Just say OK. Now we have created a hole here also. Just go here, orient view, isometric view. To change the color of this object, just go to the display, edit object display, select this object, just say OK. Here by clicking it, here you can change the color of the object, just say OK, just OK it. Like that we can change the color of our object. In that we have completed this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.